Yeah, this is the miracle fire rub, and when the bingy done, use it on the two, on my foot and my right hand, the pain totally leave. So this is the miracle fire rub this. That's what him use for me.
So you recommend it?
So I recommend this to all who interested. We just find miracle fire rub, the Rasta man.
Blessings, brother. I'm glad to know say you feel better. And one session and you're gone again.
Yeah, man. And probably me would not even come for the next session.
How are
But
you say?
yeah, probably. But I hope the best. Me can spread the joy and make the people them know.
And
What
show
go
me your
on.
hand. Show the people in your hand and oh
And
your fist.
see it here,
And you couldn't do that
see it
before you
here.
come here?
No, me couldn't do this so, yeah, so frequently. I
Hey,
couldn't do
John.
this so frequently. If me toe, you me put on my shoes, my toe could not even move.
And why that to your
Crazy.
foot again?
A light post, Japan it about 4 months.
A,
And see it there.
a wooden light post drop on your foot, brother.
Wooden light post. And see it there.
And now
A
it good
miracle
again.
fire rub. Yeah, man.
Miracle
Good man.
fire rub.
Miracle fire rub do it, man. So,
Bless up, my brother.
respect.
Yeah,
And
Tony.
respect a
And
lot and I can spread the joy.
yeah, man. I want love, brother. Respect and manners. Yeah.
Bless up.
Yeah, man.